Hi McCainers, it's time for your faves with your faves. This is where your favorite McCain foodies like myself prepare the recipes that you submitted on our website throughout the year. I'm Shmidi Beauty from TikTok, and you can click here to whip through to our website to find the list of ingredients so we can cook together. Today I'm going to be preparing the sumptuous chicken breast with fried rice together with McCain's Mixed Veg. This recipe was submitted by Phomelelo from Gauteng. Thank you, Phomelelo, for submitting this recipe. I'm so excited to try it out. To prepare this dish, you're going to need a few ingredients beforehand, which I'll take you through right now. Some chicken breasts, some garlic, some rice, onion, tomato, and a range of spices. Let's get right into it. I'm going to pop in some garlic, some salt. This is called cumin in English, but in my household, we grew up calling it jeera. Some paprika. I've got half a cup of pre-boiled rice here. And then we're going to add the star of the show, our McCain Mixed Veggies. The great thing about McCain Mixed Veg is you can cook directly from frozen. And I'm going to put a generous amount just because we all love veggies, right? Now that our rice has been cooking for a few minutes, it's looking amazing. I'm going to swap my pans over so I can start on the chicken. Add a little bit of salt and pepper to your chicken breast. Add some oil so I can sear this chicken to perfection. And there we go. Let's have a look. And we've got this gorgeous brown, sumptuous color. Let me flip it over. I'm going to remove it and place it into a container to rest. I'm going to use the same pan to make my chakalaka. I'm going to add a little bit more oil, onions, some garlic, some cumin here, paprika, some oregano, some thyme, and some sugar. This dish always reminds me of the festive season with my family. We'd be together around the table preparing vegetables, and now, thanks to McCain, we don't have to do that anymore. While this is cooking, I'm going to get my hot water so we can prepare the chicken stock. Add this to the pot. I'm going to be adding our tomato paste, and our ingredients are done. The final touch is to add our chicken back in so the flavors infuse together. We are ready to plate. Look at how bright these vegetables are. I'm somebody that always eats with my eyes. I always end up dishing more than I'm supposed to, but in this case, I have a feeling I'm not going to regret it. All I'm going to do is add some of the delicious chakalaka on top. Thank you, Phomelelo, for your wonderful recipe. It looks amazing. Thank you to our McCain family that has submitted all your recipes online. Please continue to do so. Don't forget to subscribe to the Made with McCain newsletter to win monthly prizes, and let's do this again soon.